Hello friends, here we discuss about some basic point about buck converter and boost converter. Firstly, the definition of buck converter is given as the buck converter in which output voltage is normally less than input voltage. That is called buck converter. In boost converter, output voltage is always greater than input voltage, which means boosting. Boosting the voltage means output voltage get boosted, means it is always greater than input voltage. Here the circuit diagram of buck converter is given as this is supply voltage, that is Vs, or we can say Vg also, that is the gate voltage or input voltage is given here. And here switch is given, that is normally used here as MOSFET switch because it is a high frequency switch, so it will be better here. It is diode, it is inductor, it is capacitor, and parallel to capacitor we use load, and which is denoted as V0, that is output voltage. Here input is DC and output is also DC, so it is called DC to DC converter. Same here, input voltage Vg is applied here, that is DC, and output we are getting DC, so that is DC to DC converter. Okay, and circuit diagram of boost is also near about same with some differences. It is gate voltage or input voltage, you can say Vs or Vg. This is L, inductor value. This is switch. Here also we normally use as a MOSFET here because of high frequency and it will be better. Diode we use here, and capacitor here, and same parallel to capacitor we use load, that is has output voltage V0, and the formula of output voltage or average output voltage is denoted as D into Vs, where D is the duty ratio, which is denoted as on time period upon total time period. Same here, D is equal to on time period upon total time period. This formula is same in both converter, only output voltage will change here. V0 average is equal to Vs upon 1 minus D, and IL average, that is average value of inductor current, which is denoted as I0 here. I0 is the load current which is constant, and IL average, again average value of inductor current, which is equal to I0 upon 1 minus D. I0 is again load current, that is constant. Del IL is ripple in inductor current. Ripple is normally considered as fluctuations in the current or voltage. Here del IL means ripple in the inductor current, which is normally denoted as I maximum minus I minimum, means maximum value of inductor current minus minimum value of inductor current gives you ripple current, that is del IL, which is usually denoted as Vg minus V0, that is input voltage minus output voltage upon inductor value into frequency into duty ratio in buck converter. In boost converter, del IL ripple inductor current is given as VGD upon LF, input voltage into duty ratio upon inductor value into frequency. Here we take frequency a very high value, normally in kilohertz or something like that, in this type of converters. Thank you.